Hey there, quick review on this Kaxa rolling cart. Very easy to install. You've got 12 screws, very easy to put together, and then you just simply screw the casters into the bottom. Two of the caster wheels also have the stopping mechanism on them so that it won't roll around if you want to use that as well. You see the bottom is a nice mesh design, and the size is really ideal for a lot of things. Perfect for books. You can see a standard size paper fits in there. You'd also have plenty of room for file folders, things like that. But there's just really unlimited uses for this cart. It's going to be perfect for a lot of different situations. Taking a closer look here, this comes in a variety of finishes. So if you want to match the decor of your house, you can do that. Here we've got the black, looks really nice. And again, these mesh bottoms are also really nice as well. It rolls around really nicely, swivels, you can easily maneuver it around. And again, you've got two of the casters have the locking mechanism on the feet so that it won't move if you don't want it to. And then easy to flip that back and be on your way. Overall, this is a really nice cart, perfect for all kinds of uses. Great quality, easy to put together. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for something like this.